Hello student, I hope all of you doing very well. So today I'm going to make video for one shot. I hope all of you excited. Some student demanded, so I want to revise of any topic of physics in one shot. So I'm going to make a video as per your demand, that is kinematics in one dimensional motion in one shot. What is student? Kinematics in one dimensional in one shot. So let's get start. So this is what basically kinematics in one dimension. This is kinematics in one dimension. Okay, fine. So what is the topics? Basically kinematics is orally I'm just going to take you take a brief, right? Give you a brief of what kinematics. Kinematics, it's a combination of two words, kind plus matics. Kind means what? Matics means sign. Kinematics deals with the physics in which body is at rest or in motion. Fine. So basically there are three equations of motion, but these all equations of motion, this is what basically equation of you can say equation of motion if acceleration is constant. So this is first v, these all are vectors form. V is equals to u plus at, where v is final velocity, u initial velocity, or a is what? Acceleration. Second, s is equals to ut, this is a displacement, ut plus half of at square is acceleration. And third one is what? You can say v final velocity, v square minus u square is equals to 2s. V is final velocity, u is initial velocity, a is acceleration, and s is what? Displacement. So these all equations applicable if acceleration is constant. This is the first formula, right? So take a screenshot. Done. Student, this is what basically equation of motion which I have already discussed to all of you. So next is what? Next is acceleration due to gravity, or you can say motion under gravity. Motion under gravity. Today I'll discuss only formula. This is helpful for JEE Mains, Advanced NEET as well, right? And as well as you can say term 1 of the 11th class. Right, motion under gravity. This is very simple. You can project a body with speed u, right? With speed u in what? In upward directions. The particles will take path like this. Try to understand, if you will project a body in right directions, upward directions, the particles follow same path to come back. But for better understanding, I have shown here two paths. This is for going and this is for coming. Fine. So always do one thing numerically. I am going to tell you what you will do. Always projection point, always consider origin. मैंने क्या कहा स्टूडेंट? प्रोजेक्शन पॉइंट. व्हाट? कि जो आपका प्रोजेक्शन पॉइंट होगा ना, प्रोजेक्शन पॉइंट को यू हैव ऑलवेज कंसिडर व्हाट? ऑरिजिन. दिस विल हेल्प यू टू टेक साइन कन्वेंशन ड्यूरिंग न्यूमेरिकल, राइट बच्चा? तो दिस इज व्हाट? यू जो जीरो होगा. ओके फाइन. सो बेसिकली यू नॉट, ऑरिजिन जीरो है. U is what? Particles की initial speed है. So basically I'm not going to derive the relation, right? I'm going to tell you this is the first formula, time of flight, TOF, time of flight. This is what? 2u by g. 2u by g. You can say this is what? Part A of time of flight, time of ascent means for going time. This is what basically u upon g. This is what student? U upon g. And this is what? Time of descent. Particles will take time to comes down. So this is what basically again u upon g. U upon g in right direction and same time will take particles to come back on a same path. Okay, so what is second formula? That is what? Height max attained by the particles during after projection. So height max is what? Basically final velocity of the particles is equals to 0. So height max, this is what? Basically u square upon 2g. So this is all about motion under gravity. This will help you. You have always second, or you should consider during calculation projection point as a origin. Done. So take a screenshot, student. I'm going through what? I'm going to erase basically, right? So take a screenshot. Done. Good. So this is what? Motion under gravity. फाइन. सो काइनेमेटिक्स इन 1D बेसिकली अपन ने डिस्कस कर लिया. मोशन, इक्वेशन ऑफ मोशन, मोशन अंडर ग्रेविटी, और उसके बाद में बहुत सारे ग्राफ हैं. ग्राफ का काइनेमेटिक्स इन 1D का मैं एक अलग चैप्टर्स बताऊंगा, राइट? एक अलग वीडियो बनाएंगे, छोटा सा वीडियो 10 मिनट्स फॉर क्वाइक रिविजन्स के लिए. ग्राफ 1D का हम अलग डिस्कस करेंगे. अब एक छोटा सा एक क्विक रिविजन है जिसमें कि अपन ने बात की सिर्फ फॉर्मूला का. दिस इज द मोस्ट ऑफ द फॉर्मूला जो कि अपन काइनेमेटिक्स इन 1D की बात करेंगे. सो लेट्स, एक यार नोमेरिकल तो बनता है ना, अगर आपने इतना कुछ पढ़ा हो तो नोमेरिकल तो बनता है. फाइन. सो जस्ट से कि मैंने कुछ एक नोमेरिकल बोल रहा हूं कुछ इस प्रकार से कि जस्ट कंसीडर कि दिस इज व्हाट? टावर, जिसकी हाइट क्या दे रखा है? जस्ट से 15 मीटर. दिस इज हाइट ऑफ दैट. एक फॉर्मूला और है बच्चा. सो टावर कॉन्सेप्ट जो कि आपका लास्ट फॉर्मूला होगा. This is what basically tower concept. Fine. So what is the tower concept? You can say basically this is the tower and height of the tower is what? Basically h. And here you are, just suppose ki any students are ready to drop the ball, right? Drop means what? Drop means you can consider one things कि पार्टिकल्स का इनिशियल वेलोसिटी 0 है. सो व्हाट इज द क्वेश्चन विच यू हैव टू फाइंड? फाइंड स्पीड जस्ट हिट द ग्राउंड and find time taken by the particles to just before hitting the ground. So now I am going to calculate what is the time. Time basically under root 2h by g. I have used here relations to prove the relation v square, that is what? S is equals to ut plus half at square, right? You know S is basically h. This is what you can say, this is the position point. तो आप इसे क्या बोलोगे? ऑरिजिन. देखो मैं क्या कह रहा हूँ वो सुन लो ध्यान से. प्रोजेक्शन का मतलब ये होता है कि पार्टिकल को जिस पॉइंट से आपने फेंका ना, इसके अपवर्ड क्या हो गए? पॉजिटिव. राइट स्टूडेंट. इसके राइट में क्या हो गए? दिस इज पॉजिटिव. इनके लेफ्ट में क्या होगा? दिस इज व्हाट? नेगेटिव. इनके डाउन में क्या होंगे? दिस इज व्हाट? बेसिकली नेगेटिव. ये आपका ऑरिजिन पॉइंट है, इसका ध्यान रखें. दिस इज व्हाट? बेसिकली ऑरिजिन पॉइंट. पॉजिटिव पॉजिटिव, नेगेटिव नेगेटिव. यहाँ पे क्या होगा भाई? नीचे आ रहा था नेगेटिव. एच की वैल्यू बेसिकली यहाँ पे माइनस एच लेंगे. माइनस एच अंडर रूट 2h बाई जी आएगा. आफ्टर डेरिवेशन यू विल गेट सेम रिजल्ट. ओके. So this is what point number second. Find speed just before hitting the ground. This is what? V, which is equals to under root 2gh. To derive this result I have used, यहाँ पे मैंने ये इस्तेमाल नहीं किया है, बट ये अगर आपने डिटेल में पढ़ा हो तो आपका एक शॉर्ट वीडियो, वन शॉर्ट वीडियो है ना, तो यहाँ पे आपका डेरिवेशन नहीं कर रहा, बस मैं यहाँ बता रहा हूँ इतने फॉर्मूला 1 मतलब यू कैन से काइनेमेटिक्स इन 1D में पॉसिबल है और हो सकता है. दिस इज 2 फॉर्मूला जो कि आपने कर लिया, राइट? इसके बाद में एक बच्चे को और डाउट होते हैं, सर अगर पार्टिकल्स ऊपर जा रहा हो तो जी का साइन क्या लें? पार्टिकल्स अगर मान लो पार्टिकल्स कमिंग डाउन तो जी का साइन क्या लेंगे? सो डोंट वरी, राइट? मैं थोड़ा यहाँ बना देता हूँ, आई थिंक आपको नीचे विजिबल ना हो. तो दिस इज व्हाट? हाइट ऑफ द टावर. ए आपका वी और टाइम मुझे यहाँ निकालना था. सो डोंट वरी, पार्टिकल्स ऊपर जा रहा हो तो और पार्टिकल्स कमिंग डाउन, दोनों केस में ही साइन ऑफ जी आप जो लोगे, साइन ऑफ जी ऑलवेज निगेटिव. स्टूडेंट दिस इज मोस्ट marvelous and important point you should remember always during calculation. this is what? sign of g is always negative. sign of g क्या होगा बच्चा? this is what? basically always negative. so this is agenda. एक नॉमेरिकल तो बनता है ना भैया, तो एक नॉमेरिकल करेंगे. चलो डन. टेक अ स्क्रीनशॉट स्टूडेंट. फाइन. सो जस्ट मूव ऑन द एक लास्ट न्यूमेरिकल, ज़्यादा वीडियो बड़ा नहीं बनाते, छोटा छोटा, ताकि आप आराम से पढ़ सको। चलो, सो दिस इज द क्वेश्चन। जस्ट से कि हाइट ऑफ द टावर इज 15 मीटर, a particle is projected 10 meter per second. So what you have to find time to hit the ground. Find time to hit the ground. चलो, लेट्स स्टार्ट। सो देखो, एक बात मैं आपको और बता दूं, फॉर न्यूमेरिकल कैलकुलेशन, इफ यू वांट टू कैलकुलेट टाइम, सो डोंट वरी, you have to always use the equation of motion second. Time के लिए this is always applicable. If you want to find time, you can always use s is equals to ut plus half at square. So s is equals to, we can say, ut plus half of at square. Fine. So s is what? This is what? Under the tower ना. So this is, say, origin point को अपन 0 0 बोलेंगे, under the tower. So this is minus 15 u, this is 10t, u initial minus 1 by 2. For this case, if any particles following motion under gravity, if nothing mentioned in the question, so we can take 10 meter per second square. Here I am going to tell you, I am considering g is equals to minus 10 meter per second square, not 9.8. According to demand of the questions, you can judge. Right? So this is what? 10 into what? Basically t square. Fine. So this is what? 2 5s are 10, 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15. So minus 3 is equals to 2t, and this is what? Minus t square. Just get left and right. So this is t square, this is coming left, minus 2t or minus 3, which is equals to 0. So you have to find basically value of t. So t is equals to this is x is equals to what? If you want to find x, minus b plus minus under root d by 2a. So minus b, this is 2, plus minus d is equals to what? Student, b square minus 4ac, minus gets plus 4 into 3 upon what? Basically 2 into a is what? Basically 1. Minus, this is what? Minus, and c is also minus 3. So this will become positive. So t is equals to what? 2 plus minus 4, because this is what? 4 4 3 12 12 plus 16. This is what? Basically 4. 2 plus minus 4 upon 2. So t is equals to 2 plus minus, you can see here are two possible values of time. So 2 plus 4 upon 2. So this will become what? Basically 3 seconds. And next, this is 2 minus 4 upon 2. So this will become minus 1 second. Fine. So what is your answer? Time was in negative. So this is what? T is equals to 3 seconds. So students, this is all about kinematics in one shot, one dimension. Just remember, one dimensions which are covered. So meet you tomorrow with the next topic. Bye bye.